Now day breaks on another day, and time will take its time. Though where I am is the finest place, it's surely not my home. For I have travelled on my road so far away from you, but still I hear the curlew song in the distance, calling, calling, calling me home. Follow the tide and the guiding light, calling me home. Though your night grows dark as your sun sinks low, and your lazy wind blows cold, compared to you all come and go like sailing ships in the night. My days are counted one by one, till I once more return to see your station one more time, is now my waking dream. Calling, calling, calling me home. Follow the tide and the guiding light, calling me home. Have me one